crafty people, I have some really cute book box cards to share with you, and these are made with the beautiful paper collection, brand new. It's only been out for, I don't know, like 4 days, and it is from Peekaboo Creek Designs, called Christmas in Fairyland. All right, I started with this book box. It's a book box card. I did put some velvet ribbon on the edge here. Here's the back. Same image that's on the front, but I have this card that comes, everything in here is except the cardstock, obviously, and the embellishments. All the paper items are from the kit. So let your heart glow as bright as fairy lights this Christmas. And I added a couple of gingerbread people, candy canes, a bow, and a peppermint. And it opens like this. Oh my gosh, I loved this kit for these book boxes. Amazing. So we've got 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers. And you can see the dimension in there. It's just adorable papers. And then I added my little embellishments, more of the velvet ribbon, and over here, one of the pockets that comes with the collection. And these two that pull out. Look at that little fairy in the jar. How cute is that? You know what? I should tie a ribbon around this and put a bow. I think I will. And then may your Christmas sparkle with fairy magic. So you would just write your message on the back. Okay. So super cute. Card number 1. Card number 2. Look at this. I mean, I just love the red mushrooms in with the poinsettias. I did do a flower cluster on this one. Added some candy canes with a bow and some peppermint. Yeah, this is from the collection right here, and it opens like this. Look at her. Is she not the cutest with the little deer? Uh-oh, I got some little something or other in there. Okay, one thing I gotta point out with this kit is look how the lights actually look like they're glowing. I love it. So in this one, we have the back layer, we have this layer, the mushroom layer, this Christmas tree layer, and then the girl is popped up a little further towards the front. I added some trim across the top and the bottom, and a couple more gingerbread people and some candy canes. And then on this side, this pocket comes with the collection. And then we've got jingle bells and fairy beams fill the night with merry dreams. And then this cute little fairy child in a snow globe. So you would write your message on the back. And then the back is like that. So like a continuation of the scene. All right, then we have this one. Fairyland's finest Christmas candy company, fairy crafted confections, creating sweet magic since 1850. So we got 3 cute little fairies there across the front. I did fussy cut some mushrooms, layered them on top there, added some peppermints, and then a small flower cluster with some candy canes, a bow, and a peppermint. I did add this kind of Santa looking trim on the edge. I layered this, and then we have more of the fairy forest on the back. So this one opens up like this. We've got the back layer. I layered the roofs on the mushroom houses. We have this layer. There's a layer in here, and there's the fairy. There's a layer here. And then I added these little gingerbread men. And of course, the snowflakes. This sweet little fairy is a red-haired fairy. She looks like an Irish fairy. So we've got a tuck pocket over here, and it's Fairyland Bed and Breakfast. And then this says, in the hush of winter night, fairies glow with gentle light. With every shimmer, every wing, they help the Christmas bells to ring. Super cute. I mean, imagine getting this in the mail or getting this as a friend's gift. I mean, you could give it to just about anybody. All right, this one. It's the most magical time of the year. And I added this, it's like a sari silk ribbon, peppermint, candy canes, Rudolph, and then a little flower cluster. So this one opens up. Love this one. So we have the background, which includes this house. Then I popped up the snow and the chimney. I popped up the window. I popped up this snow. I popped up the door. There's 2 layers of cupcakes, the back layer and this little front layer. And then we've got the sweet little elf, and then 2 layers of poinsettias. I added the peppermint and the candy canes. Didn't have to add a lot to this one. I mean, you wouldn't even have to add that at all, but yeah, so adorable. Okay, let me pull these out. This says, by candles glow, the winter's hush, the Christmas fairies softly rush, with timeless grace they drift above, bestowing peace and gentle love. And then we have this cute little fairy. This is a dark-haired fairy, so this is also a dark-haired fairy. And in our tuck pocket, you can see it's scalloped, and it has the mushrooms on it. So super cute. Oh, and this is what I have on the binding. Okay, our last one, we have this one here. I just had 1 poinsettia left, so I tried to kind of make it look nice. There's magic in the air. All right, look at her. She's actually in the paper collection. She's holding a snowball. It's a little bit hard to see, so I just put a snowflake there, and then I layered some snowflakes. We've got the back layer. We've got this tree layer, the poinsettia layer, this layer, mushroom layer, and then the fairy is also popped up. So I did add some trim across the top and the bottom. And then on this side, we have Magical Season. I did add this little, what do you call this, a nutcracker. And, oh, yeah, our little wooden gingerbread people and candy canes. So this pulls out, and you can see the candy canes in the background. We've got this sweet little fairy on an ornament, and this says, Winter whispers soft and light, fairies glow through Christmas night. And then into the pocket, and that is the back on that one. So you're gonna have to tell me what you think of this Christmas Fairies collection. You know, everybody loves fairies, right? You should definitely get this kit. If you don't need it immediately, you can, I mean, once you buy a paper collection, it is yours to use 1,000,000 times if you want to. 2 million, 10 million. It's yours. It belongs to you. So I will be listing these in my Etsy store, and I hope you will head over to Peekaboo Creek Designs. I will link her, the link directly to this kit, and it's so inexpensive, guys, to buy these papers and have them in your stash. So check them out. Thanks for watching. I think I have one more project with this and one more project with, oh dear, Candy Cane Cuties. And I have something special for that one. So stay tuned. And then I may be done with Christmas Well, I'll never be done with Christmas. But I guess what I'm trying to say is I'll be done crafting this year for Christmas. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Scrappy Day. Bye.